There's a metro.
Monkey.
Anyways, hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel. So with me, I have some of these packages. Okay, let's start with the first one. And I'm back. What did I even do there? That was a very bad transition. Let's start with the first one. Let me just... Oh, this one over here that you can see. And this is very affordable for all the beginners out there, you know. So 10-piece brush set, which where you can get, this was actually recommended to me by a very dear friend of mine, and she has a small business of scrunchies to follow her, Neha. And yeah, so there are like, okay, I missed another one. These 5 makeup brushes for the eye purpose, and this is for the face purpose, as you can see. These are very soft, and yeah, the bristles might come off, but I don't think so, but they look good. Next one, this one is actually a very big one. So Indian brand, and basically it's a dupe maybe. So there's a 26-piece set, and this is a 32-piece set basically. Oh my god, so this is a 32-piece set. It actually comes tied up like this, Wait a second, it's very big. Okay. So this is the whole thing right here. You can get all of these. Yeah, you have all of them like a fan brush, then you have all the contour brush, angle brush, flat top brush, which is also kabuki, I guess. And then you have all the eyes and the lip ones. There's a spoolie thing, the mini fan brush, and these are all soft, and the bristles are very nice. With packaging, you can cover this up and then you roll it out. This is a very good for traveling. Yeah, you can get this one. Now, something that I also wanted this one, but what happened is Amazon got it wrong. This one was amazing, the crystal brush and everything, but I never got that one. So I got this one. I don't even know why, but I kept this because Amazon told me that it's non-returnable, but I got the refund. It's a 9-piece set brush, so this is what comes inside, and that this is very shiny. There is this fan brush thing, powder brush, small fan brush. I don't really recommend this, but yeah. And the last one that I got, I wanted this for a very, very, very long time. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Yeah. So this is the whole thing. It's so sparkly and so pretty. It's amazing and fluffy, and just 7 brushes, like this powder brush, foundation brush, which is like this one, and all the other is for eyes, and there's a spoolie here, so I'm loving it. So you can buy them too. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. My hair is not in the mood today. That was all of my brush set. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, and I have a gaming channel as well, and you can check out my Instagram, my Facebook page, and more. Yeah, bye.